Now come, students. Again, next question is concerned about the requirement of a partnership from the decade book of the new session 2020. Question number 34, big questions I have taken. Now come in this question, it was prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. The revaluation account we have prepared. You can draw the format like this. Understood or not? Now expenses owing to be brought down 37,000. Earlier it is given 45,000. We are making the profit 7,500. We have noted down expenses owing 7,500. Machinery and tools value 10% less than. So machinery depreciated by 10%, 8,000. Tools depreciated by 10%, it will be 4,000. While factory premises revalued to 2,43,000 and the book value factory premises 2,25,000. So premises increased by 18,000. Here in this regard we are getting the credit side more. Now we are getting the revaluation profit clear 30,500 that will be distributed between all the partners in their prescribed profit sharing ratio 3:1. So X, Y and Z. X is entitled to 6,750, Y is entitled to 4,500 and Z is entitled to 2,250. Okay. This is distribution of the profit. So revaluation, only 4 items are there. Machinery loose tools goes down. Expenses also goes down, so it is liability, so it is a profit. And factory premises increase, it is our income. Very simple. Later, after this now we have to prepare partners capital account, draw the columns, particulars amount, particulars like this. Okay. Now, opening balance of the partners capital has given 1,50,000 each. X having 1,50,000, Y having 150 and Z having 150,000. I have noted down. After this revaluation profit, it will be credited to the partners. This is the revaluation profit credited to the partners capital account. I have noted down there revaluation profit on the partners. General reserve has given already in the balance sheet 1,35,000. At the time of retirement, accumulated profit and loss must be distributed among all the partners. So it is distributed among all the partners in their prescribed holder ratio. After this, goodwill of the firm is valued at the time of retirement 1,35,000. It is the goodwill of the firm. 1,35,000 is your firm's goodwill. It is the firm's goodwill. We have to find out Y share. We have to find out Y share. 1,35,000 into by 6. It will become 45,000. And this returning partners are goodwill carried over by the remaining partners in their gaining ratio, that is 3:1. So X will carry out 33,750 and Z will carry out 11,250. Very simple entry you can pass here. X debit, Z debit to the Y. Understood or not? So Y's capital is created. X provided 33,750 and Z provided 11,250. This is the value of the goodwill. And this amount will be debited against the X capital 33,750 and Z will be 11,250. After this, there is no any other item. First of all, in the case of retirement, we have to add the retiring partners total. Retiring partners total is coming now detail. Very simple, 2,24,500. And this 2,24,500, if the question is silent, it will be transferred to the concerned partners or retiring partners loan account. So I will transfer. Might be possible. There is a mode of payment. It is given partly payment through the bank, partly payment cash, partly accepted bill. So according to the question, we have to do it. But in the question is completely silent. So retiring partners share of capital transferred to concerned partners loan account 2,44,500. After this, remaining partners X and Z added, and it will get the balancing figure 1,90,500, 1,63,500. Later, after the preparation of revaluation, after the preparation of partners capital and treatment of the goodwill we have done, we have to prepare the new balance sheet of X and Z because Y has retired. So here the balance sheet of X and Z has on date we have to write. In this side, liability side amount, asset side amount. This is the liability side, rupees, understood or not? It is the liability side. It is the asset side, it is the rupees amount. Trade creditors 30,000 remains the same, there is no any changes. That's why I have noted down trade creditors 30,000. Bills payable 45 remains the same. And expenses owing goes down to 37,500 here. Y loan I have taken here 2,45,500. Write down Y loan account. It is clear now. And the X capital and Y's capital remains the X capital or Z capital. Noted down capitals of the X and capital of the Z. There is no any other items. Just like the admission, at this side you are getting 7,11,000. Come to the asset side, cash remains the same, bank remains the same because nothing cash or bank is coming or going. So remains the same. Debtors remain the same, not increase, decrease, there is no any provision. Stock remains the same. Factory premises increased, we have increased. Machinery decreased, we have decreased. Loose tools decreased, we have decreased. This is the valuation after subtracting the depreciation. So we have to put down all the items of the asset side and add here we are getting 7,11,000. Both sides are equal. Understood? So revaluation account concept remains the same as a admission. Partners capital account concept remains the same as the admission. And balance sheet remains the same as the admission. But there is only one difference is that is the treatment of goodwill. And second thing about the retiring partners, there is a mode. If the earlier in the partnership, admission of the partners, we have planned written down balance sheet. But in the case of retirement, there is a mode of payment. If question is silent first case, then entire balance of the retiring partners capital transferred to concerned partners loan account. Understood? And remaining, sometimes it is given some amount paid to bank account, or rest amount transferred to loan account. So it depends upon the provided situation how you have to tackle the retiring partners balance, which will explain in the next question by taking where it is given partly payment cash, partly payment accepted a bill, and partly transferred to concerned partners loan account. Okay, now it is clear.